Mark for the Gujarat Vidyapith also. It says, what makes you free or liberates is education. What makes you free or liberate is education. Education is composed of what? Education is composed of the use. It is a head, hand, heart and harmony. These are the four parameters के जे चार सम कही शकाय. It is a head, hand, heart and harmony. Well, head is an intellectual quotient, what we say, partly achieved by education, and for that you can always be thankful to all your gurus. But it may not be sufficient. What profession look forward? What are your education is not sufficient. What the industry look forward, and there is always argument and a lot of here and there. Industry શું જોઈએ છે, આપણે શું આપીએ છીએ, બધા ચર્ચા ચાલ્યા જ કરતી હોય છે. One wants to find out, and so what industry wants. So what you are supposed to do, whenever you want to find out something, just plunge into it. When you are in the outer world, when you go out from this city, you want to something, just plunge into it. But unfortunately, what happens? Are we afraid of difficulties? We are not just jumping in, we are not working on that. What could be the reason? Are we afraid of difficulties? No, we are not afraid of difficulties. What frightened us is to being forced to choose one path. I've seen our friends who did mechanical and then they say, "Arey, हमारा तो computer में जाऊँ तो." Computer वाला विचार करे electrical में जाऊँ. No. What frightened you is being, but now your path is selected, whichever line you have to proceed further with that line rather than looking here and there. Frankly, we are afraid of committing ourselves. આપણે જાતને આપણે કમિટમેન્ટ આપવું જ નથી. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? So you need to commit yourself. We want to follow all the paths. હું આ પણ કરી લઉં, અહીંયા જાઉં, ત્યાં જાઉં. We want to follow all the paths. So ended up in following none. If we start moving this direction, that direction, east, west, south, north, ultimately where you will be? You will be at the same spot. So ended up in following. Choosing a path, you need to choose a path. And that now it is a high time for you to choose a path. Means having to miss out on others. You did not look to the other side. Choosing a path means having to miss out on others. And in future, we regret the choices we make. In future, we regret the choices we made. But then you need to take a decision. What? Life is complicated. Life is not that easy what we think of. Life can never be easy. If it is a straight road, then there will be more accident. So life is a complicated and you have to take some risk. Follow some paths. You have to take the risk, you have to follow some path and abandon others. When you are following a particular path, you did not go left and right, you have to go to that straight direction. That is what required. Nothing in the world. But then the question arises, am I going to commit a mistake? મારી કઈ ભૂલ તો નથી, હું કઈ ખોટું તો નથી કરી રહ્યો. And nothing in the world is ever completely wrong. Nothing in the world is ever completely wrong. It is a perspective. It is a vision of someone else who look for that. કે આ સાચું છે કે ખોટું છે, સાચું કે ખોટું છે આપણે નક્કી કરવાનું છે. Let us work for that. Even a stop clock is right twice a day. બંધ પડેલી ઘડિયાળ પણ બે વખત 24 કલાકમાં સાચો સમય બતાવે છે. And neither me nor you, we all are working clock, because I am standing here and talking and you all are listening. So you are not a stop clock, but stop clock even. So take a decision. What I am trying to say, you need to take a decision. Knowledge translates to action. You all have the knowledge. You all have the knowledge. But is it in action? Knowledge translated in action brings the wisdom. To be wise, you have to convert your knowledge, what Dr. Shah just said about our Dr. Nimesh, that what he did, whatever education he could get it, that is already applied and something miracle which has come for the Surat Municipal Corporation. So brings the wisdom. So you have to apply your knowledge into action which brings the wisdom. But To transfer knowledge in action, one needs experience. You will say, "Hame to yahan padhaya chhe, hamara kevy experience nahi hai." Anyway, now your time which has come after your graduation, you have treasure of knowledge, and if added with experience, it will transfer to a wisdom. From where you may look, how you will get this idea? બધાની પાસે મોબાઈલ છે, બધામાં જ ગૂગલ આવે છે. You can see what the I have government portal એ શરૂ કર્યું છે. અટલ ઇન્ક્યુબેશન સેન્ટર. We have the Surti Island, સુરત, આપણે સુરતની આજુબાજુના વિસ્તારના જ રહેવાસીઓ છે, so you can look to this also. Management of UTU, Shah Sahib. Management also can play a major role by joining hands with such startups, and the startups are ready. I was talking to a few days back with Anu Sharma ji, Principal Secretary, as well as the Hiranmay Mahato of iWork Chief. They said we are very keen to join the hands with the UTU. And further to this, hand. What is the hand? We talk about the head. Now we talk about the head. Hand is a physical quotient if you consider. How many of us can use our hands and can perform the task? Let us say, if I put it the other way, mechanical engineer, can he open and refit the pump or compressor? If you talk about the electrical engineer, can he make the cable termination and joints? If you talk about civil engineer, can he do the plastering or pipe fitting? And the same thing goes with the other discipline also. It is not only related to one discipline, it is for the other discipline also. So now when you go as a trainee engineer, when you go for a job or for your own startup, you will be as a GD consultant. So try to put your hands and have your own experience. Let us not think of કે આપણે તો સાહેબ જ બનવાના છે, ભલે ને કંઈ કામ થયા કરવું. No, you put your hands and that will make a miracles, and you will able to do a better work when you reach to the higher position. And so with the added experience, you will be recognized as a wise man. You have the knowledge. And being a trainee engineer, when you get the experience, work experience, you will be considered as a wise man. And society wants wise man. લોકોને જ્ઞાનીઓની બહુ જરૂર નથી, લોકોને ડહાયા લોકોની જરૂર છે. And to be a wise man, you must put your knowledge into the work, and then you will be a wise man, not only knowledgeable. The third quotient we talk about the heart, that is the spiritual quotient, what we say. For any work, one needs to put the heart into it. We are talking with Dr. Patil, and we just put the same thing. We put the heart in it. It is said, 80% business is done by heart and only 10% by mind. Do not fall in that trap. Now world is very open. It's a very clear in the glass windows. આપણે એમ કહીએ કે અમે તો એસ્કિમોને ફ્રીજ વેચી આવીએ અને ટાલિયાને કાસ્કી વેચી આવે. No, that is not a correct thing. That is all cheating. Let us not go with that. World is very open and everyone will know about it. So basically 80%, it is ethics. Basically ethics and morality we talk about. So 80% business is done by heart and only 20% by mind. It is also about ethics and honesty. In business present scenario, whether you are even in a job, be ethical and be honest. Let us work for some social cause. May become the member of Voice of SAFE. This Voice of SAFE, you can open up whenever you go out from this. Voice of SAFE is a society we started with the 4 person. One is the Pranav Desai, who is a senior vice president in one of the leading corporate in USA. PK Larry, third is Nitin Oza, and fourth is one Mr. Shah. We started this organization in 2014 under the portal 272 plus. And Tarsaria Foundation in USA, they are the strategic donor for this our program. With that connection also and with other connection also, you can always see. And by sitting in the home, by sitting in the car, by sitting in the bus or a train, what service you can provide without spending a single money, you can find the application over here. You can join Rotary, you can join Lions, you can join JC. Even UT may start student chapter of such organization, like the Rotary is there, Leo is there, JC chapter is also there, so that you can start over here at the later stage. Harmony, they're very important. It is an emotional quotient what we say. Let me work in such a way so that it becomes win-win situation. We have to run, હું જીતું ને પેલો હારે. નાનપણથી તારો પેલો નંબર આવ્યો, તારો બીજો નંબર. This number kills. Let us not be with the number game. Let us not be with the number game. Everyone is same, everyone is different thing. When we say two-wheeler, મારા જે વ્યક્તિ આ સાયકલ લઈને આવે, વશીભાઈ હાર્લે લઈને આવે, બીજા કોઈ મેચલેસ લઈને આવે. Ultimately, it's two-wheeler is a two-wheeler. You get the point? So let us not enter into the win and lose game. Let us vote for the win-win situation. Be the member of professional organization and get involved in it. Like say which organization now you can go because you are just passed out. It is Institute of Engineers, it is a Computer Society, it is the All India Management Association, it is Indian Institute of Materials Management. I'm a CSI chapter tamale challenge. But similarly the other chapter can be started. Dr. Ansisha, I think, made some more than 130 or 140 members of the Institute of Engineers. I had opportunity to work with him as an honorary secretary with Dr. Shah. Okay, and I work well with Mr. now Dr. Vashi also. Not only be the member, try to get yourself involved in it. And that involvement makes a lot of difference, lot of credit will come on your account. Let me start other chapter 2. We already have started, I think, CSI, we are you are the corporate member over here, college member. So you can start the other chapters. Shah Sahib, dhyan rakjo, Patil Sahib, tabhi dhyan rakjo. And to achieve heart and harmony, you may look on website for. There is a website, IPDC, Integrated Personality Development Course, designed by BAPS. This is already running with the PP Savani. This is running with GTU, and they offer you the credit also. Well, anyway, you can go through the website and can see the many parameters. Dr. Shah may think of. Today I just put our Dr. Patil also in touch with them. Let you also take up to join hands with the BAPS for IPDC course, which is already running at GTU++. Well, friends, you can be the most successful young man in future. कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहते हो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. I don't know to say from which film, but you have already seen this. It is a basically English to Hindi version of All the Word Forces Will Conspire to Assist You by Paulo Coelho. Well, friends, work and life both are equally important. Success is a state of mind and that can be achieved by being strong internally. When you are strong internally, you will be able to perform all your duties diligently, including taking care of our physical and mental health, taking care of parents and other dependents, contributing towards welfare of society, achieving higher milestone in career. When we balance all these four aspects, we become successful in real sense. So do give equal importance to your physical as well as the mental health. नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदलते हैं, कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशा को बदल दो तो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं. And friends, I wish you all the best. Let you all reform, perform and transform. And friends, I am sure as now you all know you will touch many lives. May your spark of leadership turn fear into the power. Yours, friend and now family member, Nitin Oza. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.